Ever wondered what makes the ground shake and buildings sway? Today I'm diving into the fascinating science behind earthquakes. So buckle up because things are about to get shaky. First off, let's talk about tectonic plates. Picture Earth's crust as a giant jigsaw puzzle. These pieces, called tectonic plates, are constantly moving but super slowly, just a few centimeters each year. They're floating on a semi-fluid layer called the mantle. Think of it like this, it's kind of like ice cubes drifting on the surface of a drink. Now these plates don't just glide around peacefully. Sometimes they collide, pull apart, or slide past each other. When they do, it's like a game of tectonic bumper cars. The stress builds up, and eventually, the energy is released in the form of an earthquake. Boom! That's when the ground starts to shake. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Fault lines. These are the cracks in Earth's crust where the plates meet. One of the most famous is the San Andreas Fault in California. It's a real troublemaker. When the plates finally slip along a fault line, all that built-up stress is released. The energy travels in waves, and that's what we feel as an earthquake. But not all earthquakes are created equal. They're measured on the Richter scale, which gauges the amount of energy released. A magnitude 2 might just rattle some dishes, but a magnitude 7? That's a different ballgame. Whole buildings can collapse. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that most earthquakes actually happen under the sea? That's right, they're called submarine earthquakes, and they can trigger tsunamis, massive waves that can be devastating when they hit the shore. Now you might be wondering, can we predict earthquakes? Well, not really. Scientists are getting better at understanding the conditions that lead up to an earthquake, but pinpointing the exact time and place, that's still a challenge. Instead, they focus on creating early warning systems to give people a few precious seconds to take cover. So what's the takeaway here? Earthquakes are a natural part of our planet's dynamic system. They're a reminder of the immense power beneath our feet. And while we can't stop them, we can certainly prepare for them. All right, science fans, that's a wrap on today's shaky topic. If you enjoyed this dive into the science of earthquakes, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, keep asking those big questions. Until next time, stay curious. The Science World Watermark.